In front of me is a Realme GT, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me looks to be right over here. So once you find your toggle, you can tap on it to immediately turn it on with whatever the default parameters of it are, or you can also hold the toggle. This will take you to the settings where you will be able to customize how it will function. So we have things like schedules, allow exceptions for calls, messages, what kind of people will call you and message you. We have also ring for repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice in a 2-minute period, they will bypass this option right here, whatever it is set to, they will completely bypass it. And then we have silent media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. So just no sounds from like touch sounds, media sounds, and stuff like that. Once you go through all of these options and set them to your liking, you can leave this section and never come back to it. And additionally, if you're using a schedule, then make sure that the schedule right here is toggled on, and that's the only thing you need to turn on. And if you're not planning to use a schedule, to toggle it on manually, all you need to do is tap on the toggle like I did before. And once you're done with it, you can turn it off by tapping on it again. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.